So, you had a burger that was pink in the middle?
Uh-oh.
I totally see why that might make you worried. Let's get into what this could mean for you and what you should do about it. First, about that pink burger. When your burger is pink in the middle, it means it is either rare or medium rare. Normally, this is not a big deal for steaks, but burgers are a different story. The risk with burgers, especially those not cooked to well done, is they might contain harmful bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella. So, why can you eat rare steaks but not a rare burger? Here is the thing: bacteria usually hang out on the surface of meats. With steaks, when you sear the outside, it kills those germs. But with burgers, the meat is ground, meaning the outside bits get mixed inside. So if there is any bacteria, it gets spread throughout the burger. That's why cooking the burger thoroughly is important. So, what happens if you eat a burger that is rare or raw? If there are harmful bacteria in your burger and it was not cooked that well, it could lead to food poisoning. Symptoms might include stomach cramps, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, the not so fun stuff, basically. These symptoms typically show up within a few hours to a few days after eating that burger. But don't panic. Most people who eat an undercooked burger do not get sick. It depends on whether the meat was contaminated and how your body handles it. According to the Food Safety magazine, the odds are 1 in 50 of a burger lover getting an E. coli infection during his lifetime, but only to 1 in 800,000 odds of him getting infected on a single eating occasion. But if you start feeling sick or have diarrhea, it is usually best to stay hydrated and rest. Most cases of food poisoning resolve on their own. However, if you experience severe stomach cramps or pain, or the symptoms last more than a few days, you should see a doctor. Next time you are grilling a burger or ordering a burger, aim for well done, especially if you are not sure about the meat's quality or how it's been handled. Want to know how to keep your well done burger both juicy and safe? I've got some nifty tips for you. Check out the link in the description below to my full article where you'll get some useful tips and tricks for locking in that juiciness and nailing the safe burger cooking temperatures. Check it out now.